guys! For today's video guys is mag-unbox tayo ng aking in-order sa TikTok. So, ayan guys, ito siya guys. So, ayan guys, tumating siya guys, kanina lang. So, ayan guys, i-unbox natin guys kung ano yung laman. Nasa halagang 183. Tingnan natin paano yung laman. Let's go guys! Check my outfit guys. So, let's go. I-unbox na natin guys ito kung ano yung laman na to. Kasi nga is parang nabudo lang ako nito. Kasi parang tinignan ko, ang gusto ko talaga siya. So, ayan guys. So, ayan guys, is mag-start na tayo sa ating pag-unboxing. And pass. So, ayun guys. Get ready na. Ready na. Haba na yun. Ayan. Ayan, bakit na. Ayan. Oh my God. Ano kaya yung nasa loob? Sobrang, ano talaga siya guys, parang sobrang safe na safe. Kasi ang ganda talaga ng packaging nito. So, ito yung naman guys. First, we have this one. What is this? This one. I don't know what is this, guys. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano ito, guys. So, yung pangalan is No Lotus Moisturizing Hand Cream. So, sa kamay to, guys, lilalagay hand cream siya, guys. So, Snow Lotus Moisturizing Hand Cream. So, ito guys yung isa. And next is this one. I think same lang guys to. Same lang siya guys. Panglagay sa kamay. Siguro kapag yung kamay mo is dry, ito yung ilalagay mo. Pero yung kamay ko guys, hindi naman siya dry. So, di ko alam kung saan ko ito ilalagay. Pero gagamitin ko ito kasi sayang naman yung effort ko pang bilhin nito, di ba? Pero hindi naman expensive talaga. So, ayan guys. Ito, dalawang ganito guys, yung nasa loob ng box na to. And then, what's the next? This one. This one guys. Akala ko guys, ang laki, ang liit lang pala. Nasa Sakura. Nasa 500 ml lang siya guys. So, Sakura siya guys. Body lotion, whitening, moisturizing, nerves erasing for all skin types. So, ito. And then, we have another freebies guys. Here. I will try this one. I will try this one later guys. Kasi meron siya guys na dalawang pa-freebies. I think, buy one, get 5. So, meron siyang free na 5 items. So, ito yung dalawa. It's same. This one is the same for here. So, ito, mamaya is itatry ko guys kung yung smell niya is nice. So, itatry ko ito siya guys mamaya. And this one, the last one, what is this? This one is the last. Perfume dessert. Sanisa. Pinky daw. So, meron siyang 60 ml na perfume. Di ko alam guys kung smell ba to. So, i-unbox natin guys. I-open natin kung magugustuhan ko yung smell nito. Kasi nga guys, ito yung pinili ko. Kasi gusto ko to. Gusto ko guys yung smell ng mga purple na perfume. But, I just tried this one guys. Pero, actually is hindi talaga ako gumagamit ng perfume. Yung ginagamit ko lang guys na ano sa damit ko is yung downy lang. So, once lang ako guys magagamit ng perfume kapag meron ako or may merong available dyan. Pero usually guys is hindi talaga ako guys gumagamit ng mga ganitong mga perfume guys. So, yan guys, kaya ko guys na lumabas na wala lahat-lahat. So, ayan guys, tularan niyo ako, charot. Pero guys, is meron dito, kasi nga, diba sabi ko sa inyo, is nabudol ako. So, ayan, is trinay ko lang to. Worth it siya guys, nasa 183 pesos. Yung shipping niya guys is 3 pesos, and then 180 pesos. All this one. So, ayan guys, i-open ko ito guys kung okay ba siya guys. So, ayan guys. Let's do. But, I think I don't like the smell guys. In plastic guys, I don't like the smell. I don't know in inside. How about in inside? I don't know. So, ito na. Sisirain ko na siya. So, ito yung nasa loob. I don't like the smell. But guys, I don't like the smell of this one. This purple. I don't like this one. I don't like the smell. Oh my goodness. So, no choice because I'm already by. So, if I'm going home, so dadalhin ko to sa amin. Dadalhin ko to pag uwi ko, tapos ibibigay ko lang sa kapatid ko or kung ibibigay ko sa aking loved one, charot. But this one guys is pang babae. So, baka ibibigay ko to sa aking sister na nag-aaral. So, ayan guys. Ito. I don't like the smell. I don't know kung sa iba kung okay lang yung smell na ganito. But for me, I don't like. So, no choice guys. Kasi nabili ko na. So, ito guys. Ito siya guys. And then, we have here like this. And then, we have another. We have another like this. And then we have two. So, I just try later this one if I'm done. If I'm done shower. So, this one, I will use this one. So, meron siya guys. Nasa halagang 183 pesos. Meron ko na guys na 6 things. 6. So, ayan. So, ayan guys. Sana masaya kayo sa aking pag-unbox ng aking parcel na nabudol lang ako sa TikTok. Oh my God guys, mahirap kapag tayo ay mabubudol-budol. Di ba guys? Parang gusto natin bumili. Pero hindi natin alam pagdating natin dito if magugustuhan natin or hindi. So, ayan guys. Hanggang dito na lang muna yung aking video. Bye-bye! See you in my next vlog.